paid that $10 one-day Discover Pass for Palouse. Where do I put this? Oh. Oh yeah, $10. What up, everybody? We're back with another vlog. Today, got crew camping at Palouse Falls. It's Washington State Park. It is pretty dope. Got here a couple hours ago, setting up. Sneak peek of what we're gonna do tomorrow. I don't know if you can see that, but that's the start of the waterfall. We're gonna try to hike down there tomorrow morning. Oh no, tomorrow noon time.
Oh my god. I like
Headquarters. OVO.
Not the drumstick. Like, I love drumsticks, but like the drumstick ice cream.
So beautiful. Oh yeah, Tyler. You like that?
Get lit.
Thanks, folks.
I know last episode you guys saw some of my brothers, but here's Daniel and Tyler. Tell them what you're about, Daniel.
I don't like you. I'm about life and more life.
More life. More life. We got the stove working.
I want like a chair.
We're good.
We got the stove working. Oh.
What do you mean? I was just like playing with it.
It's those computer engineers.
We did it.
They study that electromech conversion.
Yep, all the time.
Oh, engaged. So cute.
What do you know?
I'm kidding. Man, as you can see, we got all the meals set up right there. That's the sauce for the spaghetti. We got the fruits, dots. We got even the ranch for the salad. So down. Aww.
Hello, Andrew. What are you doing? Okay. How are you feeling?
I'm good. You know,
Yeah?
we're out here. We got 2010 spots.
Okay.
Courtesy of Azu Mount Rent, Azu Outdoors. Gave us a really good deal because I'm a market influencer.
Oh.
30 bucks for an 8, 6, and 6-man tent. As you
There's
can
the
see,
8?
it's lit.
Oh, so lit. So lit. Who?
And who is the person behind the camera? Jasmine, social work major. Oh, this is how we take pictures. Oh yeah, Tyler. Oh yeah.
Come on, Dad.
Oh, Daddy.
Natalie. You do it.
Dang, we're getting a picture taken by Profesh.
No smiling or smiling?
No smile.
No smiling.
What was your no?
Man, this guy just put his crotch on my face. Dang, these finicky stoves though.
This sucks. Nah, we good. Okay, so, where's David at?
I think he went to talk to Sheldon.
Is he gonna tell me to stay here?
I don't know.
Take a picture of me and John.
Just needs to be like periodic.
Taking a picture. The video is gonna freeze for a little bit.
Make sure the fire doesn't go out. Loose.
Oh, I like yours.
And it's recording.
Wait, what? You didn't take a picture?
I did. You can record and then take a picture while you're recording.
Oh, so techy.
Because video is just a lot of pictures being taken at the same time.
Wow. Hold on, I'm not done.
This is how we light it up. Just a bottle of water and the iPhone flashlight. Yeah, engineers. Oh, we can't even see David. Oh well.
What are you trying to say, Andrew?
Hey, 5-star dining. Aww.
Hey, help yourself with the sauce, cause we
Dang, this is how we living out here. We living. Oh yeah.
don't get lost. Don't get lost.
Wait, where do I get the food?
Oh.
Don't get lost in the sauce.
Don't get lost in the sauce, David.
What's that thing that
Okay. Are you recording? Oh crap.
Dang.
Send nudes.
Wait.
Noodles, you mean, right? Noodles. 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 I like that.
Yeah, VeggieTales.
Oh, I love VeggieTales.
Did you ever watch VeggieTales?
Whoa, okay.
Are you doing okay now?
No, never okay.
Tell me about your night.
Woke up at 4:58.
Oh my god.
It's freezing.
How cold do you think you got?
Negative 100.
Wow.
Totally unprepared for this. Got like 30 degrees. I forgot my pillow. Didn't have a sleeping bag. Just had a blanket. Oh my gosh. But I think we fit like 10 people in that 8-man tent. It's crazy. I think they're making food now.
Oh, you're gonna scramble it in there?
I was just thinking of frying it. Unless you think I should scramble it.
Yeah, scramble it.
Yeah? I'm gonna try to fry it.
With no oil?
We like wieners out here.
No one's ready.
What? The ends pop.
Really?
Yeah.
The juicies, right?
No, you'll see the ends.
So if I did like this,
Beef.
no, you're fine, but it's just not cooked. These are.
I'm gonna try to turn the water.
You know how to do that too well, Adrian. All right, we're about to go down to the falls. We're going down to sketch place. Down.
First part's the hardest part.
Yeah, this is just the sketchiest part, right? It's the sketchiest part. That's all. That's all. Oh man, look, so much grip. So much grip. All right, we made it. I basically made it down. This is probably one of the most sketchiest. The sketchiest part of the whole thing. Oh. Got it. Sure fitting. Dang, we made it. We made it past that. We're trying to get down there. Jasmine.
Can we wait for them?
Woo! Got this. We're gonna go right there.
Holy. Where are we going down?
There's a path. Yeah, I think so. If not, well, we can just go the other way. We're almost there.
So close.
So close. Got more people over there. Dang, bruh. Making it look like he already went in. On the descent. Oh, yeah. Oh. Use a rope. Use a rope. Yeah, Noah. We're almost there. We're almost there. Look at that. Almost at the descent. Danny, David, don't die. Look at this fool. Trying to skip everything. He found his food.
Yeah, I did.
Oh. Bruh. Straight out of the water. That's good stuff. All right, we're taking the alternative route. Everyone's going this way, up there. We're gonna take this way. The worst is over. We came down from that treacherous spot. We're back up on the ridge. 200 feet drop, and he decides to go on the edge. Bruh. This is what flows into the waterfall. Oh, and then there's Jasmine. The rip roaring rapids. Jumped into the water. That water was so cold. I'm pretty sure it was like 50 to 60 degrees. And you coming from Hawaii, like I'm used to 80 degrees. Like that was way too cold. Like, I couldn't breathe going in. Like my feet started to lose feeling. PNW.